Hey
Hey
guys,
guys,
what's up? Welcome back.
and today we have Dyumna Vadan with us, who is the founder of Project Clay and is also a student at Northeastern. Oh my God, I'm so happy to speak to you, Dyumna. What's up?
All good, all good. Very happy to be here. How are you guys?
Great, amazing.
Dyumna is just 19, I heard. You're 19, right?
Yes, boss.
And she just pitched at Shark Tank,
Yeah,
Project Clay.
with her startup.
So, I mean, starting a startup and focusing on academics both go hand in hand, right? And you are in Northeastern at this point. Maybe you're dropping out. We don't know. But you got into Northeastern.
Which
What,
is
like,
very selective. It's like 7% acceptance
I
rate.
mean, people dream about going to Northeastern.
Yeah.
So, how did both of this go in hand start?
Like, since you said that you were weak at academics, but you made it to one of the top unis in the US, which is very rare. And like, walk us through that journey. How was your day in the struggling life for 12th grader who's managing SATs, common apps, then also building a startup? How was your teenage life like that?
Okay, see. So my co-founder is Shivom. Yeah. He got into UCLA and Emory. And he is the guy that handles the college bit of it. Because honestly, my college journey was one day before the deadline, I submitted an application. I wrote my essays one day before. Now that was also because the plan was, I'll just take a gap year and maybe if I have to go to college, I'll go there. But the point is, so even if you look at Northeastern, right? Like if you ED, you have a 40% chance of getting in, not a 6% chance, right? Because it's yield rate and all of that. So with college application, it's more just doing the right research, which is why we started building Project Clay as well, because your seniors will just know more about it than a counselor. Because I went to my senior and they were like, "यार, हो जाएगा तेरा Northeast में हो जाएगा." They were co-op focused.
Yes,
So it's
correct.
just doing the right things, having your seniors guiding you through it, which we're now trying to build a business model out of.
Wow.
I mean, I didn't know that Northeastern had an ED rate of 40% acceptance rate.
Yeah, dude. The college application thing is just it's not more like hard work, it's more smarter work, just knowing what the college wants. Like the Howard says that they could throw out their current batch 3 times and still have the same number of like passionate students, right? It's college applications. First of all, it's a lottery, and then second of all, it's
Correct.
also just you just have to know what the college sort of wants, and then you are like entrepreneurship and football, and more importantly, ED acceptance rate is 40%. That was more important than any sort of skill I had.
You just hit the bullseye.
No, one important thing that I heard from you, it's a lottery.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
if you were to rate it, keep 50% is lottery, 50% is your potential. How would you rate it? Ki nahi, lottery hai kya hai? Because what I've heard from people, if like yesterday when we were flying back from Dubai, um, we met a friend who was studying at Harvard with a full ride scholarship. The whole flight I was talking to her कि क्या है, and she was like मैंने बोला कि if I pay you X amount and I ask you कि how do you get into Harvard, she's like there's no one, it's luck, anything can
Correct.
happen. So you having met a lot of people, a lot of mentors, what do you think?
No, 100%. It's also like at a level luck. Like if you're getting 20 out of 45 in your IB and you think, oh, I have a good shot at Harvard because it's luck.
Of course.
That is
Yeah,
not true.
correct,
Yeah, but in other terms, like you're competing with 100,000 other kids that want to go to Harvard, MIT, Stanford. So in
correct,
that sense, it's mainly luck. Like abhi ek Stanford results just came out on news mein aaya tha ki this Indian kid got rejected, but that day he did $10,000 in revenue, 200,000 users, something like that. Why did
correct.
Stanford not win?
Yes.
Who knows?
Uh,
Right? You don't know, but you have to ensure you're maximizing your chances, and that comes with the best essays, the best extracurriculars, the best marks. You can't leave all of that to chance and say, "Oh, maybe it'll happen." It won't.
correct.
No,
I mean, it's a gamble.
it's a gamble, but I want to talk about your Project Clay journey more. How did that start?
I mean, because at that age, you thought, no, I will help people go to college, and I actually don't want to go to college. So how did that happen?
How did that spark come in?
कि
कि,
मैं
I want to
लोगों
start
को
something like
भेजूंगी
this.
कॉलेज और मैं नहीं जाऊंगी कॉलेज.
यार वैसे तो शुरू नहीं हुआ था ना. इट वाज कि समर प्रोग्राम्स वर टू एक्सपेंसिव, तो हमने
Correct.
सोचा व्हाई नॉट, लेट्स बिल्ड आवर ओन, राइट? तो 3 साल वैसे चला. एंड दैट वाज प्रीटी सिंपल. मतलब दोस्तों को बोल देते थे, कोल्ड ईमेल बहुत किया, कुछ करके बन गया. मतलब इट वाजंट लाइक वी वर मेकिंग एनी रेवेन्यू, बट 5,000 बच्चे आए थे, समर प्रोग्राम ले लिया. मुझे लगा ठीक है कुछ बन सकता है इधर. गैप ईयर लिया. नो वन वांट समर प्रोग्राम्स. देन आई वेंट टू मास्टर्स यूनियन. वारिकू gave me 2 lakhs, said कि भाई नहीं चलेगा. I knew that at that point, but I was still delusional. So I still tried to run it. But he had said कि यार focus on one-on-one mentorship. तो क्या हुआ ना, आई वाज स्टिल बुलिश ऑन समर प्रोग्राम्स, क्योंकि 5,000 बच्चों ने लिया था, मुझे लगा यार 100 बच्चे भी मुझे पे कर देंगे 5,000 रुपए, बस पैसे भाई, मतलब
Correct, 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 correct.
You're underplaying it. 5,000 बच्चे
नहीं, आई मीन भाई
starting
थोड़ा
is
सा उसको
very
एम्फेस देना
difficult.
था कि अंकुर वारिको से मिले, उसने
उसने बोला
warning
कि
दे दी,
5,000
इतने बच्चे आ गए.
That's not how it is, Dyumna. Please, इसको थोड़ा detail में, like, emphasize on it. Like, this happened. This is how it happened. It's huge number you're talking about.
See, but that's the thing. I didn't put in the work for it. I'll tell you what happened. So this is a big lesson in startups कि तुम जो कर सकते हो ट्राई करो, क्योंकि क्या हुआ था ना, पहले साल 800 kids took our courses and most of them were like friends या Instagram से. 800 isn't a big number. It's a free program.
Correct.
5,000 is, but now how that 5,000 came was, by the end, like near the start of our second year ka, we were still at 800.
Okay.
So we thought, as a team, क्या कर सकते हैं हम? We thought, let's try everything. We had a volunteer from Bangladesh. So
Okay.
she was like, should we do Facebook? मैंने कहा ठीक है, but मुझे लगा यार बच्चे फेसबुक पे थोड़ी होते हैं, बट क्या
Correct.
जा रहा है हमारा, मेरा
Correct.
क्या जा रहा है. So she put it on a Facebook group. 800 Bangladesh students signed up that day, in one day. And then that link somehow reached an Egyptian Telegram group. The next day, 2,000 Egyptian kids sign up for the summer program.
Wow.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. And then it gets picked up by some YouTube guy talking about the best summer programs in the world, and he's put ours at number 5.
Wow.
So from there, we get another 500 kids. So it's
Chain
and
reaction. Yeah, it's a chain reaction.
it's a fluke. Yeah, it was a fluke. It's more just while
That's
you're
what
building a
you
startup,
say, but that's
Yeah,
not true for
that's not
sure.
fair, but you just have to try everything you can. तो फिर मुझे लगा यार फ्लूक ऐसे हो रहे हैं तो समर प्रोग्राम भी चल जाएगा, बट सीन क्या हुआ ना, कोई उसके लिए पे नहीं कर रहा था. बट समवन सॉ माय एपिसोड विद अंकुर वारिकू एंड दे रीच्ड आउट टू मी एंड सेड आई वांट टू गो टू डीयू, कैन यू कनेक्ट मी टू अ डीयू स्टूडेंट. ठीक है, अब मैंने कहा ठीक है, कैन यू, एंड देन आई वाज लाइक दिस इज पेड. मैंने सोचा देखते हैं पे करेंगे. तो उस दिन आई अर्न माय फर्स्ट 500 rupees. ठीक है,
Wow.
and that's when I was like, all right, boss, 3 साल कर लिया, कोई पैसे नहीं कमाए. This is making money. Someone reached out to me. So
Right.
then we changed our model. We were like, okay, one-on-one mentorship. This senior junior thing will work in India. Scope hai. We just have to stick with it. What happens now in this model? Do you guys know Shaurya Sinha?
Oh,
हाँ, ठीक है. तो
Of course.
स्टैनफोर्ड का बच्चा है. तो
yeah.
he also started something like this.
Sleep deprived
He
dreamers.
made, हाँ, to a
I
certain
was
money, and he
part of
shut
the
it down.
course, yeah.
अरे सही है. तो a lot of people have tried to start this, but after 6 months they shut it down. What
Correct.
happened? No, someone interviewed me like this only, and 1 month later they copy pasted our website, copy pasted our business model, same thing they put it up. But now after 4 months again they shut it down. It's just this is just the kind of business that you kind of have to stick through for 2-3 years to build trust, because you have to sit with parents, talk for 2-3 hours. It's just it's tough. Education in India
Reason
में
why
बड़ा
you identified why these people are shutting down their businesses?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Ki na, it's a business that anyone could replicate, right? There's no
Yeah.
like तुम्हारा कोई secret recipe नहीं है,
How do
कुछ
you
नहीं है.
plan to sustain in this?
Yeah,
It's
कि
such a
मतलब
business student question to
क्यों
ask, but okay.
नहीं, but seriously, that's what I was thinking. Ki, how do you differentiate yourself? Is it the trust you have built from the past 3 years, or what differentiates Project Clay from any other startup?
See, मेन थिंग इज ब्रांड, राइट. क्योंकि हमारे पास कोई टेक बैरियर नहीं है. तो अब सोच, द्युम्ना नाम है, इट्स स्लोली पीपल आर गेटिंग टू नो. मास्टर यूनियन हुआ, अब शार्क टैंक होगा.
Correct.
5,000 बच्चों ने हमारे कोर्सेज ले लिए हैं. तो मैं अब किसी मेंटर को भी टेक्स्ट करती हूँ, they're like, oh, we've heard of Project Clay, or we were a part of your Brooks Braintree course. मतलब
Okay.
Project Clay was also for Brooks Braintree.
Okay.
5,000 kids took. We have 5,000 alumni around the world in these colleges,
Oh,
right? So
wonderful, wonderful.
yeah, it's just stuff building on top of next. Now tomorrow, if someone else starts it, they don't have the credentials that we do, right? So if a parent had to see it, we can say we worked with 5,000 kids, send them to college. अब Shark Tank का ठप्पा लग जाएगा. So it's just again, it's just the race to who can build the biggest brand, because there will always be people with a better product than you. A lot of it lies on marketing and branding, and we genuinely care. Like बोलेंगे तो सब, but we are also making our practices very student centric. We have the data from 5,000 students now. We know what works. We worked with 100 clients this time. We started rolling in acceptances. We talk to all of our customers individually. We have data now, so we are just getting better. By the time they reach where we are, we will be 10x of that. By the time they manage to reach that, we will
So
the
it's the
insane.
data and trust you've built from the past 3 years that differentiates you from any other startup around.
And brand.
That makes sense completely.
So now coming to your personal life, you got funding from Ankur Warikoo.
Mm.
You started a startup at 15. You got into Northeastern, and now you're planning to
Yes.
drop out. Okay. So, so how is that happening? Why are you thinking to drop out? क्या है इसका scene? What's up?
See, college is great. I think college is brilliant for most people. It's just that now where Project Lay is, we just genuinely see such a gap in the market that one thing is pace, right? Startups have speed. If
Correct.
me and Shivom don't go into this full time right now, we think someone else could also build this, someone that's more committed, and we are committed to the cause. We think there's a big gap in this counseling industry. We just
Yeah.
want to be able to solve it. And college is always there, we can always go back. But I think rather than us like finishing college, if we can help 10,000 kids get to their dream colleges, that will be a lot more satisfying and fulfilling for us.
I have one question. मेरे दिमाग में भी pop up हुआ. You have
Please
two
go.
options. Either you build full-time Project Play, or Stanford is giving you a full ride scholarship to come and
What is this rapid fire?
if Stanford is offering you Dumna, I am offering you a full ride scholarship. You don't have to pay anything. We'll pay you to come.
Hmm.
And or you have to build your own startup. मतलब कोई college नहीं सिर्फ उस पे काम करना है. What would you choose?
Full-time project day for sure.
Wow,
यार
okay.
life में कम opportunities मिलती हैं like कि you know now we'll have a lot of traffic behind us. We can make a company that will make a change. क्योंकि इंडिया में the counseling industry just sucks. It's either too premium or there are these counselors that take money from shitty colleges to send their kids there. We
Right.
And me
genuinely
and Radhika have gone through the same process. We have paid a lot and got acceptance in
exactly.
shitty colleges,
Yeah.
and yeah,
So we understand what you're like trying to solve
correct.
exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, so 10,000 is a number we want to hit by next year, but throughout the life of this company, we want to help at least 1 million kids not have to go through that. Like, तुम किसी भी पूछो counseling experience कैसा था, no one will say good. But the
Yeah.
sort of relationships we're seeing forming, like it is like elder sibling, younger sibling. Like
Correct.
you'll end your college and you'll have a great experience. So why not, right? And if we can solve for that, then I think that is a lot more satisfying than any tech job I'll get out of Stanford.
Wonderful. I mean, what else to say? If you have that much belief in yourself, then no one else cares. But do you think when I talk to my parents about counseling, they actually need someone trustworthy? मैं जब मम्मी पापा को बोलूँ कि no, there's a Dumna Madan 19-year-old who's trying to get me into college, he's like कौन है ये? मतलब so there's a trust factor that again comes in. No, when they talk to a 35-year-old man sitting in a like cabin and
Hmm.
telling you कि नहीं इतने stat चाहिए तब वो चाहिए. How do you
Hmm.
plan to solve that? Because if I would have told my father that there is an online person who's telling me कि I'll connect you with a mentor, but there's someone in person in Lucknow who's telling me कि तुम मेरे पास आके बैठो मैं तुम्हारे ऐसे लिखवाता हूँ, then
Hmm.
how do you manage to solve that gap for Project Play?
देख दो दो लेवल की इधर है. एक तो I exist for the students. Gen
Mhm.
Z का एक stat है 57% of Gen Z want to buy from a founder they trust and admire. So
Yeah.
Correct.
that is where our level is. But the product is still the product. Eventually, take abhi it's a good marketing strategy. Eventually, I want to move out of the picture. Product sells for itself. But what you are buying is not Jumna's product. What you're buying is time with a Harvard student, right? तुम एक
Mhm.
इन पर्सन काउंसलर से बात करो, क्या पता उनके क्रेडेंशियल्स क्या है, उन्होंने एक हफ्ते का कोर्स किया है, नाउ दे आर काउंसलर्स, हु नोज. बट
Correct.
हार्वर्ड के बच्चे के साथ क्या है, दे हैव गॉन थ्रू द प्रोसेस, दे आर एट हार्वर्ड बॉस. So no one can ever question the
Correct.
credibility of that student. You know that, and now they're surrounded by their friends. They know what the college is exactly looking for.
Correct.
From a student's perspective, also, you have to write all these deep essays for college. You probably won't share that with a 40-year-old, right? Your deepest life experiences, but you can with an elder sibling. So we're just seeing that quality is a lot better. And at this point now, we've already started seeing acceptances. Warwick, London School of Economics,
Oh
Reed.
wow. Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah.
That is
So
amazing.
correct. So once that comes in, it's not like now Jumna's out of the picture. If you don't trust our mentors, we have results, right?
Correct.
By the end of this season, we're going to have 100 college acceptances at least. So that's what we can show the parents. Instead of talk, more just was proof hai.
Show the results that this is what, we
Correct.
have done till now. That's beautiful, honestly. Amazing.
Correct. Abhi tak it was more like a marketing, like you have like please trust us, एक chance दो, मतलब we know
Correct.
it works, but
But
now
अब
we're
Shark
coming to
Tank आया
the
तो
where
हाँ.
product can also speak for itself.
So what next for Dyumna? Like, what's her plan now?
Yeah, to scale Project ले, maybe get an office in Bangalore.
Oh wow.
Wow, this is such a
Yeah.
dream to have. Okay.
Yeah, maybe like and obviously just to be able to capitalize traffic, we want to go to schools, we want to talk in person to schools. आप internet पे बात करोगे, like probably 5 million people must have seen my videos, but the amount of registrations you get it's a very high friction thing. But if you go to schools, you can talk to schools, talk to parents.
Correct. तो in person वाला thing ज़्यादा
Yeah.
connection build करता है. Correct.
Yeah, 100%. और गोवा में ऐसे कोई स्कूल नहीं है, एक प्राइवेट स्कूल है, तो I have to be in Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi. So that's the plan, to go talk to schools, build up partnerships, talk to counselors, and just strengthen the product and scale this.
Wonderful. And how did Shark Tank happen? I mean, कि just explain कि तूने how did you apply? How did this actually got
Pitching
to
at
pitch?
19
Yeah.
at Shark Tank, where, you know, full-fledged 50-year-old, 60-year-old pitching their startups which they worked all their life for.
And you were also there in the promo, right? I saw you like in the promo, Shark Tank's promo.
एक second. हाँ.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Walk us through that journey.
So honestly, there's a 0.01% chance you come on Shark Tank, because there's that many, what, 5 lakh applications. So मैंने भी मस्ती में डाल दिया. Honestly, my whole life you ask कैसे हुआ ना, सब कुछ मैंने
हो गया
बस कर दिया, हो गया. So application डाला, and that time Nikhil Kamat's fund, I was more focused towards that, because I was like,
Oh, that one.
part-
I think it was first time. First time
yeah,
fund up.
first cohort.
How many startups is
Yeah.
he? 5? How many startups?
12.
12
He funded 12 and
Yeah.
5,000 applications. So still there's a higher chance that you can get selected, right? Or I don't know, similar chance, but it was like, यार 25 साल के नीचे के बच्चे हैं, तो I think I'll have a better shot rather
Yeah.
than competing like you said, 50, 60 year olds. So I was focused on that. Shark Tank भी हो रहा था साइड में, तो मैंने उधर से आंसर्स लिए और इधर डाल दी. ठीक है. फिर निखिल कामत का फिर डेटा रूम आया, और दैट टाइम शार्क टैंक का भी वीडियो आया कि और लाइक पुट इन अ लॉन्गर एप्लीकेशन, तो मैंने वो दोनों भी अगेन डाल दिए. फिर निखिल कामत का थर्ड जब राउंड आया, शार्क टैंक का भी थर्ड राउंड आया, शार्क टैंक वीडियो डाल दो एक. तो मैंने मतलब एवी मस्ती में, अदरवाइज आई रियली ट्राई हार्ड माय वीडियोस. मैंने कहा यार क्या ही होगा, नहीं होने वाला है, ये टाइम पास करा रहे हैं. 2 मिनट का वीडियो, ऐसी कुछ प्रेप नहीं, बस आई जस्ट स्पोकन इन द कैमरा और सबमिट कर दिया. फिर आया निखिल कामत से रिजेक्शन. ठीक है, तो आई वाज लाइक शिट. फिर मैं चली गई कॉलेज. तो फिर एक दिन कॉल आया कि भाई ऑडिशन, नहीं एक्चुअली दिस वाज बिफोर कॉलेज, कि कॉल आया 3 days बिफोर कॉलेज, कॉल आया ऑडिशन के लिए आ जाओ. अगेन मस्ती में चले गए, ठीक है चले जाएंगे, मतलब ऑडिशन से होगा थोड़ी. 1000 किड्स, 1000 पीपल गो फॉर ऑडिशन, 150 गेट टू पिच. तो वी वेंट, हमारा ऑडिशन हुआ. इट डिडंट गो ग्रेट, मतलब ठीक ठाक गया, बट द पर्सन दैट वाज द लीड प्रोड्यूसर हैड सीन माय रील्स. So I was like, okay, maybe there's a chance. And he liked our story. We were like enthusiastic, all of that. फिर हम कॉलेज चले गए. और उस फिर कॉल आया कि भाई आ सकते हो इंडिया. हमने कहा हाँ यार, मतलब
क्यों नहीं
Shark Tank.
आएंगे? आप लाओ.
फिर
Wow.
गए और yeah, an insane experience. I'm excited for the pitch to come out. We got yeah, it was insane. Like there were people around me. There was a 20-year-old that was doing 15 crores a year, और हम उधर थे with our 1.5 lakh revenue. So
Wow.
it was a crazy
I think
experience.
that's an experience
I
in
mean,
itself. How are the sharks? Like, weren't they like, कि कौन आ गया? Who's this 19-year-old pitching their startup? How was their
So was the
reaction?
pitch intimidating कि
Were
नहीं
you like
भाई?
shaking there, like, okay, what do I do? What do I do? Or you were like,
Dude, it was crazy. It was crazy. So and the thing is, my co-founder, it was his first pitch ever.
oh.
Okay. I have pitched 100 times before. मतलब I am तो comfortable now, but उसकी पहली pitch थी, तो it was very interesting.
वो भी एक
But
Shark Tank.
वो भी Shark Tank. Yeah. तो यार जजेस सामने हैं, बहुत फार है वैसे. You have to scream. पिच में ऐसे पता नहीं चलता टीवी पे. और पूरी साइड है all cameras and crew, like I don't know 10-20 professional cameras, ऐसे cameras ऐसे उड़ रहे हैं हवा में, crew है. It was insane, मतलब crazy scene था. But yeah, it was fun. Feedback बहुत मिला. We got grilled a lot. But that's bound to happen. It was crazy. Yeah.
Amazing.
When is it planned to come out? Do you have any date for anyone who's interested in watching it?
I think around Jan 15th it should come out.
Amazing.
Almost about a month.
Cool.
Yeah.
Nice. Amazing.
Amazing journey. I mean,
So,
Project Clay 15, Yumna Madani at Northeastern trying to drop out, quitting at Shark Tank. Oh wow.
such a story. Okay, Dimna, now what is your one message to teenagers out there? Because that's the main audience you are capturing through your work. What is it that you have to say to them?
यार मेन इसकी कर लो, मजे मजे में ही कर लो, क्योंकि क्या है ना, अभी कोई रिस्क नहीं है, मतलब इट्स नॉट लाइक वी नीड टू फंड फूड इन द
Hmm.
हाउस, कुछ कुछ भी बिल्स पे करने हैं, कोई रिस्क है ही नहीं। तो और बड़े होते हुए ना क्या हुआ ना, आई वेंट एंड वर्कड इन ब्लू लर्न, आई वर्कड एट दिस जॉब, एंड
No.
ऑल माय लाइफ आई हैव ऑलवेज थॉट यार व्हाई डू पीपल नॉट स्टार्ट बिजनेसेस एट द साइड, क्या चल रहा है मतलब, एंड देन आई वेंट एंड डिड दैट जॉब। इट्स
Yeah.
एग्जॉस्टिंग मैन, तुम 8 घंटे काम करो, जो भी करो, उसके बाद तुम्हें नहीं मन करता। So we are all going to reach that point where we're all just working at these jobs where we're not really passionate, but
Yeah.
करना पड़ता है क्योंकि then you have to pay the bills. You will not be able to run that time. This is a golden age, so start definitely. And then one regret I personally have is that I wish I studied harder. It goes against everything I'm saying, but yeah, college is वो ठप्पा मिलना is important. Like having been in this industry for 4 years, if you can go to a Harvard, Stanford, or Duke and NUS,
Northeastern से पेट नहीं भरा।
मतलब अच्छा है, but
इससे बेटर क्या
it
पता हार्वर्ड फुल राइड पे मिला ले, क्या पता स्टैनफोर्ड फुल राइड।
of course हाँ scholarship मिल सकती है, तो just pick the right subjects for sure. Like I'd put a little bit more time on that. I wish I had talked to a senior when I was in 10th grade. So I'm building for what I wish I had, and I hope that I can help a few more students. But yeah, main thing would just be to experiment as much as you can, and no one cares, right? Today I was talking to someone and they were like, yeah, we were talking about potentially hiring them, and they were like, yeah, मेरी reputation का क्या है? I was like, what reputation? We have zero reputation. Like right now we can mess up so much and it just wouldn't matter. People will forget because as teenagers we also, I think everyone is just self-obsessed with themselves, right? Which is fair. So no one cares. Just go out, do your thing, and it'll work out.
You might not know, you might end up pitching at Shark
Shark Tank.
Tank.
Yeah.
Amazing. It was so cool talking to you,
I
Dyumna.
mean, amazing story.
Yeah.
Teenager would be inspired to like see कि कोई ऐसा भी कर सकता है कुछ, and
Yeah.
Can't wait to see what Project Lay has to offer to teenagers. And yeah, we're just so excited to see you grow.
Thank you. No, thank you so much. This was a great interview. I loved.
so thank you so much for your time, Limna, and we hope to see Project Play pitch at Shark Tank USA and now lead Elon Musk and something like that. Let's see what happens. And
One
thank
day.
you so much for your time. Thank you so much,
Bye.
Limna.
Bye.
Bye bye, guys. Thank you.